All right, so the purpose of this video is to talk about our sideline rolling activity, okay? So for this exercise, I'm gonna place my head on a block that levels my head with the rest of my body. I'm gonna place my knee on a foam roller like this. Okay, pretty low. I'm gonna put my hands like this, okay? And so our goal is just to create motion in one part of our body while not moving the other parts, okay? So what we don't wanna do is everything roll forward together. Okay, I'm going to start with my lower body, okay? So we're just doing a leg roll. And what this means is that I just want to let everything else relax. So my hands don't move, my head doesn't move. I'm just going to breathe in and move my knee forward about 2 inches. I'm going to exhale, move it back. Just getting independent motion from my hip, from my knee. Okay, I'm going to do this about 10 times. Breathe in, exhale. From here, I'm going to do the same thing with my top hand. I'm going to breathe in and just roll forward a little bit. And I would really, with this one, very small movements. I want to stop when I start to feel movement in my head as well. Just going to exhale, roll back. So inhale, roll forward. And then exhale, roll back. And we're just going to do 10 on the bottom, 10 on the top. And then we switch sides. We do the other side.